Sam, have you heard that the new iPhone XR is dropping?
XR, on my way.
Here are 5 things we love about the iPhone XR that you'll want to show off to your friends. The iPhone XR comes in 6 different colors: white, black, blue, coral, yellow, and product red. Customize your Memoji to look like you with lots of inclusive options. There are so many chic hairstyles and funky accessories. Ooh, let's FaceTime. You may not always be up for FaceTiming, but your Memoji is. Say hello to a new era of photography. Portrait mode, depth control. Get rid of those annoying photo bombers. Advanced slow motion. This is the most advanced phone at an affordable price point. With the money you save on an iPhone XR, you can splurge on a pair of heels. The new display is the largest LCD on an iPhone. Which color is your favorite? Stay tuned for more on the iPhone XR.